Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and we are back at it again. This time we have the HomePod Mini right in the mail. This box is ready to be opened right about now, but just before you guys do that, make sure you guys check out all my other videos of the unboxings, because this week has been pretty crazy with all the different products coming in. But I think this one is ready to be cracked open right about now, so just go ahead and grab our box cutter right here. Just lift the top open just like this, and let's see what comes inside. So I'm pretty excited to see how mini the HomePod Mini is. I do have the HomePod Pro already, and that thing is pretty big and it's pretty expensive, to be honest. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so after fiddling around a little bit, you guys can see I finally opened the box. This is literally brute force. This thing was glued together so hard, but finally we got inside. Let's see what is inside. And obviously we're gonna see the HomePod Mini. I don't know why I'm making it so over exaggerated, but let's see. Here we go. We slide the box down, and oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna peel it apart. Alright guys, so it took some time for sure, but here we are. Let's just get a nice view of me pulling apart right over here, and we can already see nice HomePod right up top there. And mother, this thing is hard. Like, they packaged it so well inside of here. I literally have to just peel everything apart. So let's go ahead and keep peeling away at it. This thing is packaged insanely well. Like, holy, I've never seen anything like this before. And here we are. We're just about there. And wow, guys, take a look at that. The Mini. The box is a little bit, unrealistic. You don't really need that. So here we are. We have the HomePod Mini in all its glory. So of course I do want to compare it with something like the Nest Mini over here, but that I'll save for another video. As you guys can see here, the overall box is pretty simple. It doesn't say anything other than HomePod. Alright, so the whole process of opening this literally gives me sweats, guys. But here we have a little slit here. Let's just unbox the entire thing. Looks really nice, and you guys can see the last little part of it here being opened up. And wow, here we have it, guys, the HomePod Mini, and it is pretty mini, to be honest, compared to the other one. Let's go ahead and just slide this up right now, and let's see what's inside. All right, we have the slow action going on too, just like every other Apple product. And there we have it. Wow, the HomePod Mini. This thing is really small, and you guys can see it right next to the other mini device. It is very, very small. I don't know how the performance is compared to some of the other speakers out there, but let's just pull it up out of its box. And wow, it is beautiful. One thing I don't like about the HomePod, and this goes for the original HomePod as well, is the fact that this doesn't disconnect from the actual speaker. Now I know for a fact that all the other speakers out there do, just like the Nest Mini here. And actually I'm just going to open up the Nest Mini for you guys to see. It comes without the string itself connected, and it just looks a little bit more nicer, a little bit more portable. But overall, guys, it is pretty much the same. You're likely not going to be moving this around the house that much anyways. So they are both silver and they are both white, but you can see the difference between the mesh design. It just looks a lot nicer on the HomePod compared to the Nest Mini. But there you guys go. This is just the first unboxing of the HomePod Mini. Overall, the design is very nice. I do want to give you guys a couple more close-ups before the video ends, but I think I am very impressed with the size here. So just taking a look at the bottom here, we do have the Energy Star, and this we are supposed to peel out for some reason. And there it reveals the Apple logo. And very, very nice overall design, guys. Alright, so that should pretty much be it, guys. And wait for the next video where I do a setup and just another impression of the overall sound and quality of it. And then I will be doing another video on top of that with all the other speakers versus the HomePod Mini itself. So again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you guys hit that subscribe and that bell notification right up top there. That's really going to help out the channel. And it will give you guys the first glimpse of what I'm going to be doing in my upcoming videos. Alright, so once again, guys, peace out.